All right, ladies and gents, here we find ourselves at Unit 9, Classification Review. So the first part you should be able to definitely get from your notes. You have a dichotomous key here. I do want to tell you that this one is heavy, this one is heavy, this one is heavy. That's slender. And looking at the bottom, you know that's curved, but it's straight in the middle. This one's curved at the bottom and curved at the top, and that might help you a little with your dichotomous key. All right, this you should be able to get from your packet. I am going to help you out with your plants a little bit because we did not do the plant unit. So the part of the flower that is female is called the pistil. Okay, and that includes the sticky stigma in there that the pollen's going to stick to. It goes down the style and into the ovaries, which hopefully you know ovaries are female. The part that is male is the stamen and has men right in the name. Stamen is the male part, which has the anthers, which are usually yellow, producing the pollen, which is plant sperm. It has a filament that holds it up. All right, and that's about it for the male parts. Gymnosperms are kind of plants that have cones on them. So cone-bearing plants. All right, they have cones. So, like pine cone trees. Angiosperms are fruiting or flowering plants. All right, anything with a fruit or a flower is an angiosperm. So how I remember this is I think Angie loves flowers, and there's cones in the gym, you know, like those little orange cones you run around. So Angie likes flowers, cones in the gym. All right, we did viruses, so you should be able to do the virus stuff right from your handout. And we only have 2 multiple choice down here, y'all. So tall land plants have requirements different from those of aquatic plants. Which of these must the tall land plants have that aquatic plants don't need? Well, if they're plants, they all need to do photosynthesis, so we know it couldn't be A. A means of reproduction, everything needs a means of reproduction, so it's not B either. Organelles for respiration, well, all living things do respiration, so they all must have that too. So the only really option there is the thick-celled walls, because when you're on land, you don't have the water supporting your body. Number 2, which characteristic do most plants have in common? Plants are not unicellular, they're multicellular. They're not prokaryotic because only bacteria are. Many of them do produce seeds, but not all of them. Some of them do spores, but they are all definitely autotrophic, where they're making their own food automatically through photosynthesis. So that should be D. All right, that was a short one. And the last one. Yay!